Presiden gasang new tribute council baroi ke pasundre melatel ba dai ka sokar ke bla penyolat ya ke mender ban wan bat nut ban penibor ki trais nong ha ka jela ha bakren ha ka jingang paj ba mot pran mentak sngi ka khatwai trik lebe aja pendeu ke bla penbaik da confederation of meghalaya social organization komso ban kasian ya ke jingdawa ban khanglat ya ki bomdai relu man ya koni election MBC syakaru hills autonomous council baroi ke pal ong ba latip bakadaw ko bala penlong yaw Conrad Sangma umsang ba kajela ban Pynsangeh kan san ya election MDC syaka karo his autonomous council kadai nama utip bagi pajba karo kin Jied Shuh yak NPP ulo ong ba kejingnut ki mendel ban be yaki karo na kisinong jongki kadai nama na ginong sensia ki ba ailat yaki ban menta ka anut ban peni bol sendon ubaroi ong ru ba kejingji hakaro his hakaba umendel lanut ban kni yak hok sensia kejekak putra kam slem Shuh ban kan ulong syakasi janji ru lada om te lakam no maldol nado mentahi ula kentu yagi pai bakaru bakim dai bandu jingkermen nama bagi kasi janji yakin yenglang ban yakun persya yagi mendel kibatmu barwan klon yak ne kari ula ong bagi kam penroi kimlong AA lada kajaj penreu bat kari kan syak ni no hakim mendel
from Khasiel zone we want to give one message to you. This gathering today, in this momentous occasion, we show our solidarity with the Achik people who are in Garo Hills, who are standing against the illegal immigrants and who are still fighting. We want to tell you that the Hinyotra people are with you in this fight, and we will be with you till you make sure that each and every illegal immigrant is being chased from Garo Hills. Mr. Conrad Sangma, here also this voice of the Hinyotra people, that the Khasi Jantia and the Garos will not allow you to sell Garo Hills to the illegal immigrants. We will not allow Conrad Sangma or his party to sell the land of the Achik people to the Miyas. Today we are here as a symbolic gesture, but if you need us to be in Chipinang or to be in Garo Hills, the Hinyotra people will take up sword, will take up the materials that is needed and will stand together shoulder to shoulder with the Achik people. Mr. Conrad Sangma, don't forget, you are a chief minister because the Achik people have supported you. And if they want, they will also make you come down off that chief ministership in the year 2028. You have 3 years to make sure that the rights of the Achik people are protected. You have 3 years to make sure that the land of the Achik people are protected, and you have 3 years to make sure that the culture of the Achik people are protected. And you have 3 years, Mr. Conrad Sangma, to ensure that these Bengal who are staying in Garo Hills should be detected and deported to their place of origin. I saw one video that Bengal is asking the police officer, Sir, kya hum Bangladeshi hai? The police officer cannot give an answer, but we can. हाँ भाई, तू Bangladeshi hai, so Bangladesh mein jao. Yes, you are a Bangladeshi, so go back to Bangladesh. The Garo Hills belongs to the Achik people. It is theirs today, it will be theirs tomorrow, and it will be theirs forever. No Bengal can claim that the Achik land or the Garo Hills belongs to them. Mr. Sofia Rahman, I've seen your text, I've seen your message claiming that Pulbari, Rajabala, Chibinang belongs to the Bengal. If you dare, come out of hiding. We will show you who is the owner of the Achik land. We have seen your statement, intimidating the indigenous people of Meghalaya. Just remember that the Achik and the Nyotrab are the owners of Meghalaya, not some Bangladeshi, not some Pakistani. These Bangladeshis, they came as labourer, they came as tenant. They used the people of Garo Hills, the Achik people. Now, because of their illegal activities, because of these mafias, they have been controlling the illegal activities in the plain belt areas of Garo Hills. The illegal stone mining that is going on is because of these people. And we blame our leaders, we blame the government of the day and the government of the past. Because of them, these Miyas have dared to attack the owner of the land. Mr. Conrad Sangma and all the leaders, it is because of you that this has happened. It is because of you that Sangma has to lose his life. It is because of you that his mother, his wife, his children lost their blood earner in the family. The blood is in your hand, and you have to decide how to wash that blood from your hand. Mr. Conrad Sangma and all the leaders from Garo Hills, you have been using the Achik people for the last 50 years because of your vote bank politics. Ganejong kaniko pateng ka pamanta. Lada kaniko pateng ka pamanta. Kamsyam ya karay ka patenge ban yada ila ka jong ka khando ka siap. Kan mau baki khun ki khti ki jongi kinom don khando kinom don siak ban yada lan ban yale ban penne pensa. Kata kaniko jing sisa ka ban ya ban perkat. Hatungi ai mo ya kata khno ka siap ala jong ki khun ki khti lan ka pateng ka ban sawan kenang ma makiru kinla ban yeng ban yada ban penne pensa. Lada kali ka pateng ka pamanta nyem yeng ban yada nyem yeng ban penne pensa ka pateng ka banong ka banangwan kanom don khndo kanom don siap bakan penne pensa. Pari hot nisngop sarong bangiyo yaw tau chief minister ubalanang lastat ngiyo yaw chief minister ubala puli na kiri kibapao jong kapertay ngiyo yaw chief minister ubakren syapang kata karoy kapar ubakren yakinyo hajar fra hajar sipo hajar kror ki development manusnem ki bapoy sa kaninga jela ka jongi ubakren syapang kata ka economy kabanpoy sa kapaka syata ka $10 billion economy pari ka jingkeli kalong hatungin hun laningin ya pen ya kata karoy kapar bat ka hok long try ka jongi halor kani ka khendo ka siap hatungin ya pen ya ka jing long try ka jongi halor ka khendo ka siap halor kani ka snap ka bakarpang ka baunong tau ula ayo nyau trap unyo skum langin ya pen tang namar kata ka 10,000 ka khasan hajar ka 4,000 crore ka development lani ki roy ki par ki pakini ki nong ilam ki jongi ki wandra. Mr. Conrad Sangma habo ulet cha di Mahasau. When he went to the Mahasau, he talks or he speaks about dilution of the provision of the 6th schedule. He is or he still is for the last 8 years as the chief minister of our state. His party is still leading GHDC in the executive committee. What have you done, Mr. Conrad Sangma, for the last 8 years to ensure that this dilution of the provision of the 6th schedule that is happening in GHDC for the last 50 years? Uladon hakashuki mentala prasnam ulet di masau banong ba lapen blood lapen tlot yaki kendon jong ka 6th schedule. Ule ayu pat hapo GHDC mentasan posnam kalayai kata kajing penbelan mentah prasnam uladon hakashuki hatu ula persyang mo ban penbet yaki jing bakla kibaki nongilam kibarem kilale pimla ban syukeno yaki balalet nawar kim don Shuh akabor pi don akabor mentah pile ayu kan ban penbah ya kata jing bakla ka bagi noi lam ke barim kilale kini ya ka khandau ka siap ya ka hok long try ya ka hok halor ka sensyar ka khadar jong ki garo po garo hills kan poiru ka por bakini ki joy ki brio kin kini ya ka hok long try halor ka khandau ka siap halor ka sanhima sima jongi unyo trep la ngim long ki bausiar pari kani ka jinyalang mata ka sikam dei tang bangin ay ya kata ka jing kersyan yiki perlok ki jongi po garo hills ka deiru ka jing pinken mau ka jing pinken ded yangi kum ki try retry muluk bangin long ki bausiar hatung ikwa bakai ka baca garo hills ka ju ka pot kan jayangi hang ne porilum kasi bajantia ngihap ban perkat ban raya kata ngim kwa ban yoi bawairu udo usnamu jongi unsha bena la jongi yengi sam unsha kni ya ka jaka ka puta unsha peniap unsha kni ya ka jonga cingem kai ka bamat kini ka parlok ki jongi po garwels kala banja hangnya rilum kasi bajentia ka jongi ru ladang ngimlong ki bahusian pari kene kata ka jingmut jongi ka jingelang kadai kumbong ba Thomas bateng-teng kum ajai priung ya ban pelong ya kum kini ki jingelang ban pen kendit ban kersiu tia ban pen ken mau bang ngim dei ban song tia thai ngim dei ban skohun tang balayo ya karoi kapar kala biang ni glad no pat ya kau long try halor ka kendo ka siap ka jongi pari kata ka di ka jingmut jong di ka jingelang bananget banang ni syakman pet pa ya ka saudong ka saukun ka jongfi pet pa ya ka rut ka kiar ka jongfi halaki jong ki snong ki tau halaki jong ki et ki hima halaki jong ki yeng ki sam pet pa ya ka sor shilong ka badan ka sor ka bangi ni ngolong try lada wan nang no ru na keleng jong ka briu nyau trem hatong ngilong try halaka jong kari ka jongi hadong idang kwa ban penne ya kan jinglong try ka jongi hatong ikwa ba hadin san post nam hadin sis pas nam ladang pelong kum kini ki jelang baro kini ki dukan ki nong we nong ar ki long try ki dei ban khang kum ni kum ka dei ban khang mentak si karai kani ka jonga ka jongfi ha kani ka janmiet ka bamenta bangin ya yeng ban teli kawe kum ka jai benreu nyautrap ban yeng ban ya teli kawe kum ki try muluk ban pentikna bangi ni dai ki try jong kani ka jela meghalia jong kini ki lum kasi jantia bat Garo ban pentikna bau nong we nongar dan hop ban syong hakit dorbar try ki jongi dan hop ban syong ban rong ban long nong tawan hakit the council ki jongi tongin ya shem ya karai akni ga janmi ka bamenta balada dan kam ban yami ngin yami ringim betikna bakini ki dorba try ki jongi kini banne akati ki jongi just to win election just to rule just to lead the government it is because of you that the Achik people have been made to leave their own house their own land it is because of you that this situation has arisen on this day. We feel for our Achik brothers and sisters. We feel for the situation that they are in. But my brothers and sisters of Garo Hills, the Achik, don't lose hope. Remember that your day also will come. Every dog has his day. We have to remember that. You have the power in your small little finger. Don't forget that. And I know for sure why Conrad Sangma postponed the election of the GHDC today. Because he knows the Achik people will not vote for the NPP in the GHDC election. That is why he has to take a decision to fool the Achik people once again. At least to calm down the storm. Just to calm you down. But my friends, My Achik brothers and sisters, don't forget the blood, the death of Pynsangeh and Sangma. Don't forget that your brothers and sisters have been chased out of their house in Chibinang at night. Don't forget that the shops, that the houses have been burned down in Garo Hills. It belongs to your brothers and sisters. Remember this day, remember this time when you have that power to decide through your small little finger. My brothers and sisters, it is a call from your neutral brother. Don't be made to forget what has happened to you. You have been made to suffer in the last 50 years. Your leaders have led you, have just benefited from you. It is because of their doing that these people, the population of these people have grown with each year. As they have taken a decision not to allow them to settle in your land, in Garo Hills, will they find a place to settle? No. Will they find a place to work? No. Will they find a way to do this illegal activities, illegal stone quarrying in Garo Hills? No. It is because the people who are in power have a hand to play that these people are daring and they have been earning a lot of money. And now a time has come for them to show their true colors. My brothers and sisters, do not let this be another battle that you lose and you'll suffer for the next 50 years again. It is time that we chase away these Bangladeshis once and for all. It is time that we make us stand very clear to these politicians, to these leaders, that enough is enough. You have been made, you have benefited from us. We made you the chief minister. We made you the MLA. We made you the minister. What has you given back to us? Development. Roads, stadium, bridges, schools, colleges. What is the use of development and at what cost? Does development can be compared to being wiped out from our own land? Do we want to become another Tripura? Just because some government, some minister give us development, we forget that we are the owner of this land and we hand over this land to these illegal Bangladeshis. My brothers and sisters, this is the day that we will remember, and I want all of you, this message to go to all the brothers and sisters in Garo Hills, and also our neutral brothers and sisters. We need to remember this, that if today these people are trying to snatch or to take away the land of the Achik people, tomorrow they will take away the land of the neutral people. Us, each and every person of the neutral land, stand shoulder to shoulder with the Achik people in this fight. We stand in solidarity with everyone who are affected by these incidents that had happened in the last few days. We stand in solidarity with each brother and sisters in Garo Hills during this time, and we ensure you that we will stand shoulder to shoulder with you whenever you need the neutral people to fight along you. This is the message that I want to send to all of you, our Achik brothers and sisters. And thank you very much for being here.